So, Cambridge has a free game dev academy? Well, LinkedIn doesn't know about it, and Trustpilot doesn't think so. But there's this college in Finland who have cadgi, Cambridge Academy of Game Development and Digital Innovation, right on their subpages. And is it real? Is it not? Will I get a certificate or will I not? Well, only the people who have taken this course know it, and the people at Cambridge, if we even know they're from Cambridge or not, know it. So I decided to sacrifice my Gmail ID in an attempt to find whether you could get a Cambridge certificate for free and Cambridge education, obviously, or if this is all a scam. Here's what I found. Is the course itself real? Well, it was lacking in a lot of areas, but I wouldn't really use the word scam for it. So let me give you the deeper nuance right now. For starters, good instructors. Well, I went through all of these LinkedIn profiles one by one, and I can say that these instructors are qualified to give instruction. So let's see if this all translates next. Here's how the course structure works. You have 3 free modules, and then you have one rolling paid module which changes each month. And this month it was about design principles. I'll talk about that when we get there. But the 3 free courses are taken by the CEO of the company, Safedilius. So that must mean the quality must be really good, right? Well, the answer is somewhere in the middle. Most of the stuff inside the course was just generic advice and this one book recommendation about lateral thinking. You can see where I'm heading with this, right? Though these people who are taking these courses are experienced, in the free version at least, they do not delve very deep into the specifics. There was one Unreal Engine 5 course, and I could tell you that if I had learned Unreal Engine 5, I could bring the whole video down into 20 minutes, pack it with value, and still deliver better. And this is not just about me, there are people who have done it better as well. So they take you an hour or 2 hours to basically get you into your first game, and there's a way to teach everything faster and easier. So they did not do that. And these two things are my complaints. They take too long to cut the fluff and get to the point, and two, most of the advice they're giving is generic. Till now, we were talking about these two courses, right? What was in these two courses? Well, in the first one, which was game concept design, the guys, they talked a lot, they yapped a lot, and they showed me 2 documents that they use in the industry, which was the one sheet and the character sheet design. And they talk about some basic industry designing practices. From the 2 courses we looked at, I can tell you that the course itself is not a scam, but it could have been presented a lot better in many ways, in my opinion. And then I tried the rolling course. And this rolling premium course was offered by Michael Galotti, who was the Lego play designer in something. Good enough is what I'll say. They cover the basics, which is form over function. A design doesn't do more or less, it does the perfect amount which is needed from it. And yeah, as somewhat of a designer myself, I can tell you that it's close, but not cigar. YouTube is better. What about the third free course? Well, it's just an introduction to the other courses and what course order to take the courses in. Damn right. So now that we know that the course itself was okay, what about the certificate? Well, the certificate, you can request it through Outlook once you've finished enough of the modules that are on your dashboard, and you need money to get to those modules. That is when you can claim stuff. But to claim everything there, you need to pay up. But in the home screen, they say you get a free certificate of completion. What was that? I don't know. And then, now that we know that it's not fully a scam, just a website information problem, we can look at the next thing. What about cadgi? Are they real? Hey, this video took lots of effort to research, edit, and publish. So take a moment and hit all the buttons. If you do so, I promise to keep coming back with more better researched videos and cut no corners in my research and experiments to find out the truth about different things. Share them with you. Yeah, bye. Yeah, let's return to the video. Well, I tried to do my digging into Cambridge's LinkedIn posts, and then cadgi, if they ever had a LinkedIn, they don't. That remains a mystery. And Zamk, which is a university formed by the merger of two Finland universities. They're partnering up with cadgi, who's an unknown entity who's offering this. What? I don't even know why or what they're doing, but fine. Should you learn from cadgi? Well, in my opinion, from having taken a look at most of this course and having sat through all of it, I can tell you that Brackeys is just better. And if you want to take a look at the legal and the business side of things, take a look at Thomas Brush. These two YouTube channels alone have more value than any of these bring. And they do state an internship for the paid version, but obviously, since I'm broke, I did not try the whole course. Summing up, I can tell you that this experience was close but not cigar. So it's like the difference between a CNN news video and a Cleo Abrahams video. And I think you'll know the difference if you search them up. And with that being said, if you want to support the channel, please do hit the subscribe button and the like button and all of the other buttons in the comment section. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Join the Discord server if you want to talk more about dev stuff. Humanity Devs Forum, that's the name of it. And that's all I can tell you. Take a look at more videos here. They'll be similar to this one. Till the next time, brother, I'll be back with another. Till then, here's the bro fist.